In this video, we show you how to start a cleaning business. Most people find house cleaning to be uncomfortable and frustrating. Starting a cleaning company allows you to capitalize on a sizable market with a sizable clientele. Cleaning services will always be in demand, keeping you in business and ensuring that every client's home is spotless. What would you need? Any startup cleaning business needs to establish a brand. Choosing a brand name might just be the most enjoyable part of owning a cleaning business. Once you choose a business name, you need to register the name to prevent others from using it. Decide on what cleaning equipment to purchase. You don't have to buy everything up front when beginning a business. But you must consider the kinds of supplies and cleaning goods you require for cleaning clients' residences and places of business. Here's a sample checklist of cleaning supplies you might need. Face masks, garbage bags, sponges, towels, scrubbing brushes, vacuum cleaner, broom and dustpan, mop and bucket, bleach or disinfectant, soap scum remover, toilet cleanser, glass cleaner, spray bottle, and duster are some of the cleaning supplies you may need. Based on our research, a small business can expect to make between $30,000 and $50,000 a year. In order to increase the number of clients, make sure to grow your social media presence and then use that traffic to direct people to your business. If you're in school, tell all your friends about it and let them help you spread the word about it.